welcome to Gordon Guitar. KSI Summer is over. So this one is very easy to play. We have only two chords here, goes back and forth, and we'll look at two different ways of handling these chords, two different strumming patterns, so to speak. And yeah, let's start this one up. No need for any capo for this one. And the chords we're going to look at is the F and the C. So it starts with F. That's a bar here on the first fret on all strings. And then the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. And the second and last chord will be the C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Okay, so we're gonna go and alternate these two chords back and forth, F and C, all right? So, two ways of handling this one. I will show you the first one, which I prefer for this song. It's the closest to the original sound. And it will be down, 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 down. And we will use the bass strings and top strings to alternate the sound and give some more color to it. So, I'm gonna show you now how it sounds. It goes like this. So one round will be for the F there. Bass, top, bass, bass, top. Alright? So it basically downs, but I strum on the bass strings on the first run, and then I go to the top strings or mid top strings on the second one, and then on down 3 and 4 I go on the bass strings. And on the last fifth down, I go on the mid top strings. So it's bass, top, bass, bass, top. That's one round. So like that, okay? And you're gonna do two strumming rounds per chord. So two Fs and two Cs, and you go like that. So C. Back to F. Alright, and that is basically it. But you can also play with a clap instead of the top notes, okay? So with the strumming, it will be the same kind of rhythm, so it's bass. And instead of the top strings, top notes, you do this clap. And I prefer to do the clap not on all strings because that will kill the sound. So I do the clap with my thumb here on the bass string here, the E string. So that makes the sound to ring out while I do the clap. So it sounds like this with the same rhythm. So it's up to you to play either way or just mix it up and go back and forth with the different ways of strumming. But that, my friends, covers KSI's Summer is Over. So thank you for watching, guys. Play tuned.